Hey, how's it going, folks? This is DJ with the Rabbit School Garage again, and I'm going to go ahead and install this Yitamotor's 5.5 inch wheel chock, tire holder, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to be removable and all that good stuff, so I just figured I'd go ahead and do it. It should be quick and easy, and let you see how I do it. Alright, we want to find center. Alright. Pretty simple, straightforward install. Okay, apparently there are two ways to mount this thing, which is permanently where you drill these 4 holes in, which is what I've done. I've drilled the 4 holes, and I could put it on permanently, but I want it to be able to be removable, so that's when these come into play. We're going to take these and you stick one on top of the other one, and then you put these under here, like so, and screw them in, kind of like that. Show you. And then you mount this on your trailer. So that way you can just go boom and slide it in, and you know, you can remove this if you want to. Boom. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it so I can remove it if I want to. So, give me a minute while I go find an Allen wrench and some screws. Alright, let's get this going. So we've got an Allen wrench here. That should be able to snug this up pretty well. Let me grab a pair of pliers so I can hold that. Alright, there we go. Just tighten down on it. Alright, now we get these. And we need to set them up like this, basically. Take it, just put some screws in on each side of it. Alright, now this should slide just like that. See? Now it's not going anywhere. Once you get the tire in there and get it strapped down to both sides, it's not going anywhere. And I mean, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and, you know, put these in for extra measure, but not needed. Alright, so if you like this install, which is quick and easy, I know, just a couple of screws and a couple of bolts, but I just wanted you to see how it went on because I didn't find anything that really telling me how to do it. The directions aren't very clear. So I went ahead and just made a video of it real quick, and I hope you liked it, and if you did, give that a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It'd be much appreciated. Alright, so catch you on the next one. Just like that. Bam.